In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Grammarly for email drafts in both Gmail and Outlook Web on your desktop. This video will guide you through the setup process, provide useful tips, and discuss the limitations you might encounter. Let's get started. First, let's focus on Gmail. The initial step is to install the Grammarly browser extension. You'll need to have a supported browser like Chrome or Edge for this. Once the extension is installed, make your way to your Gmail by visiting mail.google.com. Here, you can either compose a new email or reply to an existing one. When you're in the email composition box, you should notice Grammarly's icon, a small green G in the bottom right corner. This presence indicates that Grammarly is ready to assist you. As you start typing your email, Grammarly begins to work its magic. It subtly underlines any grammar, spelling, or tone issues it detects. To make improvements, simply click on a suggestion to review it. You can choose to accept the correction or dismiss it if it doesn't fit your writing style. For those who have Grammarly Premium, there's an additional layer of tailoring available. You can adjust your email's tone, ensuring it comes across as friendly or professional, depending on your needs. There's also the option to check for clarity and conciseness using the sidebar. Once you're satisfied with your polished email, feel free to hit send with the confidence that your writing is refined. Now, let's turn our attention to Outlook Web. The process here is quite similar. Use the same browser with the Grammarly extension installed. Navigate to Outlook Web, which can be accessed through outlook.live.com or your Office 365 web portal. Click on New Message or reply to an email to open the email composition window. Grammarly should automatically activate within this space. In scenarios where it doesn't spring to action, there's a quick fix. Go to the toolbar and click on the Grammarly extension icon. There, ensure that Check Text in this site is enabled for Outlook Web. This setting allows Grammarly to assist you seamlessly. Once set up as you type, Grammarly provides suggestions to enhance your grammar, tone, and clarity. Take the time to consider these recommendations and implement the changes that elevate your email. With these adjustments, your message will be clearer and more impactful. After you're done reviewing, proceed to send your email, knowing it represents your best writing. By effectively using Grammarly in your email drafts, you not only improve your writing, but also present a more polished and professional image in your communications. So, whether you're using Gmail or Outlook Web, this tool can be an invaluable asset in enhancing your email writing experience. Happy emailing!